Hi, my name is Dr. Lou Jacobs. I'm the owner of Jacobs Chiropractic Acupuncture Center in Portland, Maine, and I'm here today to give you an introduction to our office so that you can have an idea of what to expect when you come in. I've been a chiropractor and acupuncturist here in Portland for over 22 years. I am board certified in perinatal and pediatric chiropractic. I take care of whole families, and my other specialty is working with musicians and performing artists. We're always accepting new patients. We accept all major insurances, and we have great prices for people who are paying out of pocket. I'm not the only person that works here, though. I have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful office manager. Her name is Sandra, and I'd like to introduce you to her before I give you the tour. This is Sandra. She is probably going to be your first point of contact here at the office. She answers all the emails. She takes care of getting you the paperwork that you need to fill out before you come in, finding out whether or not you were in an accident or a work-related injury or just an injury in your day-to-day life. She is who schedules your appointments and takes care of part of your exams when you come in. She does a whole lot of really important stuff, and her job, as she will tell you, is to make your life as easy as humanly possible. We always say that it's not about your back, it's about your life. We're here to help you enjoy what's going on out there, and she is a master of this.
Hi everybody, like Dr. say, my name is Sandra Escobar. I'm from Colombia and I live in Miami for many years. And I moved to Maine, I think 2 years ago. Honestly, I'm very happy to live in Maine. I'm here to help you, to serve you in whatever you need. I have been working with patients for many years, and I want to make this experience available to you. To me, it will be a pleasure to help you make a registration process as quick, easy, as soon as possible to see Dr. Lou. And also I want to say I feel very happy to work here, meeting every day special, kind and friendly people, and I love that. And I hope to see you soon, and very welcome to Family Jacobs. And bienvenidos a la familia Jacobs. Espero verlos pronto. Bye bye.
All right, follow me. This is one of the 2 areas where people relax and we either wait for their adjustments or their care, or they just sit and watch TV or chat with other people here. But we have basically 2 sitting rooms for relaxation, and this is the big one right here. Just a little bit down the way here, we have Sandra's other office, which is an exam room. Part of the exams that are done right in here. We have technology that we use to identify issues in the muscles and in the nerves and in other parts of your body that are very, very helpful for explaining to you what's going on and how we're going to try to fix the problem. So this is the room where that type of action takes place, right in there. We have 2 acupuncture rooms. One is right here and one is over on the other side of the office. And then in between those rooms, we have the adjusting area. This is the other area where all the magic happens. This is where you will come to get your treatment, lie down on the table. It's a semi-open area, so there's no solid wall, but there's a screen that is down to prevent people from seeing what's going on back here. But this open concept area is very popular in chiropractic offices, and it can be that you want more privacy than this, in which case we have private rooms as well. But this is a very safe environment back here that most people find is very, very comfortable, and it works really, really well for efficiency. So again, we want to get you in and out of here in an efficient but respectful way so that you can enjoy your life outside the office. I mentioned that there's 2 acupuncture rooms. We do more than acupuncture in those rooms, and I want to point this out. We do cupping quite frequently for athletes and musicians and people that have accumulated a lot of muscular stress, strain, or injury. We also do therapeutic ultrasound and a number of other modalities in these acupuncture rooms that will help you get better quicker. So we'll give you a look inside this room in just a second. I always joke, but I'm serious, that outside of people's issues that they come in with and the treatment that they need and the care that they're going to get and all of that sort of more medical stuff, we talk about a few things in this office on a very regular basis. Music, dogs, food, and cars. Okay, because of our love of dogs and our love of music, my love of guitars, I started a community outreach project that I think is really important to mention here. This whole wall is dedicated to the project. It's called Dr. Lou's Guitar Raffle for Rescues. Every 3 months I raffle off a guitar. It's not just for patients, it's for everybody in the community. I raffle off a guitar, and every single penny that is donated through the sales of tickets goes directly to Pity Posse Rescue and Sanctuary here in Southern Maine. This organization is wonderful. They work really, really hard to take dogs that have been displaced or that are on kill lists in shelters, mostly down south. They bring them up here, they rehabilitate them, they take care of their medical bills, they do all of these wonderful things to get these dogs ready for adoption, and then the dogs live with foster families until they get adopted. And this is a huge process. It costs a lot of money, and I wanted to help so much, and I wasn't sure what to do. So in December, I decided we're gonna raffle guitars, make it fun to raise money for the dogs. And this is the wall here. This has got pictures of some of the dogs. It's got explanation of what Pity Posse Rescue does and so on and so forth. But it's a reminder to people that this is a really important thing to participate in, whether you buy raffle tickets or not, or just donate to Pity Posse Rescue and Sanctuary. There's a lot of dogs that need a lot of help, and they're wonderful, wonderful animals, these pit bulls. This is my office. This is where I meet with you the first time you come in, and we sit down and you tell me your story, and I listen to your history, and I listen to your worries and concerns and what you want to try to accomplish here. I listen to your expectations of me, and I do my best to fulfill them. This office is not like other offices. The chiropractic, the acupuncture, all of that is standard, science-based, research-based type of care. But the environment, as you've already seen, is not typical. This office is not for everybody, but for those people that it is for, there is absolutely no other place to be. So this is where we will sit and we will chat about your life before we get started with the physical side of the exam, which is a painless process that evaluates you biomechanically and structurally and neurologically to try to decipher what's happening and whether or not we can fix it. And if there's reason to believe that we can fix your problem, then we will do our best to do that. And if there's reason to believe that we cannot, we will send you on to the next best person to take care of you. All right, lastly, in Sandra's office over in the corner here, we have a little merch corner like at a concert, and there's a few things going on here that I want to tell you about. The first thing is that my mom used to always tell us, or tell me, that if you want to take care of people, you have to feed them. And I love to cook. I cook all the time. And so it seemed natural to be the only office in the entire world that gives away my homemade marinara sauce on the first visit when you come in as a new patient. In my mother's memory, I have a huge supply of hundreds of jars of preserved marinara sauce that we give out to you when you come in. And if you love it, there are other ways to get more of it, other than being a new patient. We also have an application that's over there, an app for the office where you can communicate and access your exercise programs and a whole bunch of other really amazing things through the app to make your life easier when you're out and about. No matter where you are in the world, you can access that app and you can find your exercises and send the results of those exercises to me, so on and so forth. But it's a really wonderful tool that we've added to the whole picture here to make your life a whole lot easier. So we always have what you need here in-house, and if for some reason we don't have it, we can get it within a matter of a day or two. We consult with people on nutrition. We do body composition testing. I have a lab-grade body composition test to help those who are interested in weight loss and better metabolic function, all of those types of things. We can talk about that later, but just know that we've got it here waiting for you. If you have any questions and you'd like to get in touch with us, there's a number of ways to do that. You can go to our website and you can email us. You can fill out interest forms online on the website to show us that you're interested in coming in, and we'll respond to you via email. You can call us. Our telephone number is 207-774-6251, which spells out Spinal 1 in case you have a hard time remembering things, in which case you should probably come in and talk to me. You can find us on social media, Facebook, Instagram. We have over 126,000 subscribers on YouTube and a vault full of very informative videos that you can access, obviously at no charge, to try to help yourself at home. So again, we are here for you. Sandra is waiting for your call. We look forward to meeting you soon.